Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, October 27, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, October 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong October 27, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, October 27, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 27, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, October 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.